Hello, welcome to TechSharmit. In this session, we will cover the further values from the RTVSYSVAL command. And in order to explain the same, I am taking the program in edit mode. Now you can see that we have declared three variables here. So these variables you can declare by referring the IBM official website. Once your variable declaration is done, then you can directly use RTVSYSVAL command. So just simply write RTVSYSVAL and then press F4. Then we are supposed to pass two parameters here. First is the value name which we want to retrieve from the system, and second one is the variable where we want to hold that received value. Okay, now if you want to know more about this field, you can press F1 here. So once you press F1, it will open a help screen for you where you will find all the values that we can retrieve from the system using the RTVSYSVAL command, and it will provide you the all kind of description for each and every value that we can access from it. Okay, so once you got the information from this screen, then you can simply copy it and you can utilize in your program. So these are the values that we have already discussed in our previous session. So today we are going to discuss about this value, which is QPASTHRSVR, pass through servers. The number of target display station pass through server jobs that are available to process display station pass through. IBM I access for Windows workstation function and other 5250 emulation program or on programmable workstation. Changes made to the system value take effect immediately. The shipped value is *CLLE calculation. Now the second value we are going to discuss today is QPFRADJ, which means initial program load, IPL, performance adjustment and dynamic performance tuning. Dynamic performance tuning automatically changes the storage pool size and activity level for shared storage pools. Private storage pools are not changed. Changes made to the system value take effect immediately. So these are the possible values for this particular possible outcome for this particular value, which is where if 0 means no performance adjustment, dynamic performance tuning is not started. 1 means performance adjustment at IPL, dynamic performance tuning is not started. 2 means performance adjustment at IPL, dynamic performance tuning is started. If QPFRADJ is a change from 2 to 0 or 1, then dynamic performance tuning is stopped. Okay, 3 means dynamic performance tuning is started if QPFRADJ is changed from 3 to 0 or 1, then dynamic performance tuning is stopped. So these are the possible values for it. Now the third value we are going to discuss is QPRBFTR, which means problem filter name. Specify the name of the filter object used by the service activity manager when processing problems change to the system value take effect immediately. So we got the information from here. We will just simply copy the name of the value and paste it here along with the variable where we will hold the output, and then simply hit enter. Similarly, we are retrieving the other two values, and once these three line got executed, we will be able to print the value. Means we got the value after executing these lines, and then we are good to print. So for printing, I'm using sndpgmmsg command. So just write sndpgmmsg, press F4, and here you can pass your variable name. Okay, so once these three lines got executed, we will be able to print the output. So let's try to compile this and see the output. It is saved. Now I'm compiling it. It has compiled successfully. So now we will call this. So I'm calling it. So first output we got is a star calc, second is 0, and third is star none. So this is how we can utilize RTVSYSVAL command for retrieving the system value. Okay, so I hope this session is clear to all of you, and in the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharmit.